Oh, Baba. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Party Show. Thank you. Waiting, they form like who they read story, Abi?
No, I'm trying to be informed.
You are trying to be informed with it?
Yeah.
No, sorry. You are trying to be excommunicated.
No, don't do that.
Now they worry like this.
Excommunicated is a word that is not good for the body part. You can't be saying that. Excommunicated is when you vanish, when you go.
Go now.
No, don't do that.
No, you do like say this thing now.
If I excommunicate, it will affect you.
Perhaps.
No, not perhaps.
Perhaps.
It's not. It's percepting.
Forget.
Percepting.
I will pick up again and I will rise. I will rise.
It will take you some time.
When I'm down on my feet again.
You rise.
I'll rise. I will rise and rise. When I'm back on my feet.
Don't be doing like
again.
this. Don't be doing like this. Not good.
Why?
The Monday afternoon, not good. Don't be doing like this. No. Welcome on the show, Paddy, for our lovely people where they watch us. We still Wazobia TV9 with day.
Yes,
and
sir.
if there's a bit of a changement, you understand?
Jeez.
Some things are not really. There's a change in the
Upgrading.
No, it's called change in the
Transformation.
Yes. That the jurisdiction change. So if you are watching us in the first time, you understand? We are now in the terrestrial place.
Yes.
We are now, if you go in your TV place, for people waiting for inside Lagos, the city of Lagos, where we be saying that be the origin of where this particular show they call out from. So if you there for inside the city of Lagos, you go still feel watch us. How you want to watch us? You go in your TV. You own your remote. You talk to your TV. You say TV. TV will answer you yes. TV,
yes.
Yes. Or your remote. You will now start to search. You will search. Search. You will now come and see UHF 57. Yes. Yes. UHF 57. That channel 57. You will see us there. Wazobia 1.
Yes, for those people waiting for Lagos.
For those who are Lagos, if you are not in the Lagos place and you are looking for UHF 57, it's error, but you doing shh. But if you are inside Lagos, once you just search, you go find us there for inside Wazobia 157. You go see your duo on top the Paddy show. So that the information I say make I come across. No, make I pass across to the people when they watch us. They pass across. That's why I've been they check this so that I can informate me to informate you. You understand? Because if you ask me this thing when I talk like 5 minutes later, I'm not really sure I can remember. So, yeah. I'm giving you the.
So, for those of now, they watch us for the first time. That Paddy show be this.
Wow.
You know, where all of us now party.
Wow.
You be our party.
Wow.
We be your party.
Wow, so angry.
And all of us be party.
Wow, he's
Her
upset.
name na Mayowa actually, and my name na Ogbolo. You understand me now?
Oh, he has a touch name, by the way, Michael.
Yeah, actually, my name is Michael, you know. So M, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Actually, upon
AKA M Square.
M Square.
Yeah.
Let me get back again.
On M Square. That's what we do our own. Don't worry yourself. Now the mix.
Hey, yo, M.
Yo.
Hey, yo. This guy will keep it.
Jay, we then go break. Come back. When we come back, we'll give you gist of the things that we get for you today and some pictures and videos to help your life, to up your laughing state. Because some people to the squeeze nose is your hobby. Don't do that.
They are little squeezing.
Learn to free the muscular around your face. Feel it. It's called put a smile on your face. No matter condition. Let's go on the break.
We are coming back. Na for story.
You see these people?
Yeah, back again.
You see these people? Wait, I want to tell people something. You see these our people where they control this thing, this TV in the back. There's sometimes I didn't really know what is wrong with them. Because when I went down, not because we don't appreciate you, but this thing where you just play now, where is the essence? How is it affect us?
Contributing to the happiness of the joyous
of the show.
Yes.
How? Right, people is playing the ball, is throwing it inside the ball. How is that our forte?
Elderly men who they run up and down. And meanwhile, last Saturday, Wazobia TV and Wazobia FM play football.
Oh, yes. The football match.
One no wakpa.
No. Let me tell you the reason why. I want to explicit this thing for you. I will tell you why. The reason why do they beat you?
Us.
They beat you.
Us.
The reason why they beat una because you know say Wazobia FM they don't dey for some time.
Now the elderly.
So now process them. So then beat una based on the small children won't be. You understand?
And Femi and the gang.
Give them like 1 year.
They'll hop up the game.
You understand? Una stamina. That time their anointing go down. You understand?
No, they say when they do hand like
no,
this.
I just they demonstrate.
No, they demonstrate like that.
No,
no good. No, they don't.
No verse.
But any which way, before they say you are suggestive.
Before you say you are unprofessionally suggestive.
Yes.
Let's move into the yarn. Now, for the first gist when I get for una today, inside Sierra Leone. So if you did there and you did plan go Sierra Leone, well, now not the time for you to go because Commonwealth don't come on, don't talk. So Sierra Leone is finally free of Ebola.
Yeah!
Yes.
They are following us for back.
Yes, they don't declare them free of Ebola after 18 months.
Wow.
Where we say the first disease, ravish. You understand?
Worry.
Ravaged the country.
Oh, God.
But now they have been free. Now this thing, it claimed about 3,955 lives. Yes. So they don't come out and tell them say. But after a 42-day monitoring period, now they can come out talk say okay, now they free. But they still under surveillance. They still they watch them for the next 60 days, 90 days rather. They still they watch them for the next 90 days to make sure say yes, this freedom is a true freedom. You understand? You remember? You even get one lady, Fatima, where she they join. For the people where they take care of them. She talks about the first time when she see the first dead body where she first see said the thing chokan. But they don't put hand together. Wow. You understand? To make everything. Meanwhile, Albert for the Camara and Baiture, where we say now the country's health ministry, they don't come out contact say okay, so they go do mass burial for them because well, pretty much.
Anyway, for those of now who come from Sierra Leone, we are there inside Lagos State. We say congratulations to all of you now.
Then celebrate now. People bust for streets.
They bust things now. They bust. They bust.
They celebrate.
So as Chelsea fans, they cry. Sierra Leoneans, they happy.
They happy.
So somehow.
My brother, you better make a be Sierra Leone and Ebola. Can you die? It's not really good.
My friend Igos will be serious Chelsea fan. He said, no, Chelsea. I said, you know be Chelsea fans. He said, no, Worry Wolf. My brother, he don't read.
All right, so congratulations to the people waiting for inside Sierra Leone. Wonderful. After 90 days, we hope that they can confidently say and quote that una don't free off Ebola finally.
Small time also come up for the full West Africa finish.
I hope so. Amen.
City of Seoul. You know this guy you do? Up on Gangnam Style. As it be like this now. For the city. Sarah here. We don't hear anything for that song, but we love the song finish. That's the beauty of music, ladies and gentlemen. You understand me now? For this particular city, Seoul, they won't erect this guy now. They won't honor the guy now because he can make that particular city very, very popular because of this in song. So far, the song now be the most viewed song on top YouTube. 2.4 billion views.
Oh yeah.
On top YouTube, the most watched video on top YouTube. Now be this particular song, and as it be to honor the guy now, they want erect one statue for one particular place
in his name.
You understand?
His
Gangnam
own
district.
Statue actually. Oh boy, his own statue.
Now it's not the statue of the hand. They want statue. The signature pose.
You see the way they dance your shoki.
I go say I go reach there.
The way you are going.
I go reach there.
They will statue your shoki.
I go reach there. They will statue my shoki.
They will statue your shoki. You understand? They will statue your shoki. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
More show that the video small. May they all know till they talk.
Okay, we don't.
They have separated us.
I don't know why.
They have separated us.
They have been why they are really angry with us. I didn't really know why.
See how we just far now. Come far.
We come far.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
What? I speak louder.
I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Wave if you can hear me. Wave.
Now the second part of Yan we want to do now.
Okay.
You say?
The second part, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe we do it for them.
Okay, now me go start.
Who go start?
Me.
Me?
Me.
Okay, you.
Me.
Okay, so start.
Okay. P squared.
Genge. Make it back again.
What?
We bring it back again. Yeah.
I don't know what they always push, go back, come drop, come back.
They go this move what they always do. Now Usher move. So what they do well for anything. If not, oh yeah, don't do.
All right, one of the two people that we make up P-Square, Peter and Paul Okoye. This particular one we name now Paul Okoye, the second one. Yes. Paul can't come out, can't talk, say, well, me, I go talk this gist, then I go can't talk waiting, I think. Paul Okoye come out, talk, say, today na in wife birthday, by the way, so happy birthday to you, in wife, happy birthday to you. Now, he asks his wife, say, waiting you want for birthday gifts. Now, and the wife say, I don't really want much, but I've been sending you DM of one pikin we get eye cancer. And they need to do surgery for that pikin. And she don't even hear, so people don't they donate and everything. She don't hear who start the initiative and everything. And now to even make it amazing, our sister station for here, Nigeria Info, now there the fundraising been, you understand? Being start where people actually, Nigerians are actually amazing people.
We are good.
Because they begin to donate for this money. Now she can't get contact with one of the persons that wait there for the Nigeria Info. You understand? Now they can actually give out some large funds to complete the surgery money with they need, and even talk, say they open account so that more money go they enter, because if they do the surgery finish, now maintenance then go do. You understand? If they do the surgery finish, they go need continuous processes. What if they need to put processes for the eye? You understand what's in the talk? So yes, thank you so much. The small boy will get this thing. So thank you so much to the wife of Paul Okoye for making this one your reason to celebrate a birthday, because you could have asked for a car, you could have asked for a house, you could have even asked for to change your whole wardrobe or some, shopping in some luxurious places. So yeah, this now when they be married and the two of them. So yes, thank you so much. That's Paul Okoye. Thank you so much for
your English too plenty. You know, you like all this.
No, because it didn't touch my rats. I'm not going to lie to you. It didn't touch my rats. And when something don't touch my rats like that, they bring out the body in me. You understand?
Auntie Joe, I beg, you see me and cannot do body in me because it touch my soul too.
Hey God! Now the guy don't come out now and say to get good woman. No be easy thing, because this na good woman we put the life of another person
instead of her own
luxury.
Luxury, you understand? Yeah. But nice one. God is washing. Okay, for my own gist now. Sometimes, you know, say human beings, no one just give another human being problem.
Yes.
You understand? So now I make this Chinese man now. Old man, Pale. They don't already diagnose him, say they suffer from one deadly cancer. Meaning, say in some few years' time or very, very soon, the Pale go die. And he get bar for hand. So your reason say, since he young, he know they imagine to get one kind of better wedding, you know, very luxurious, beautiful, and colorful and everything. He say, but now he knows he go soon die. And that thing no go happen with regular human being. Now, your thing can say, come, as it be like this now. Be like, say, I want to fulfill this thing we don't do my head since. Why not I just carry one dog baby, we be like human being, marry him, then when time don't reach for me to come by your leave the dog baby, instead make I can't live widow, can't go to the greater beyond. Now, Paleku go ahead though. As I tell you now, you don't marry one dog baby, you send a sex dog. See their wedding. He do wedding
at
every see. Now you know get cancer to the shrink person. So he say he don't want to leave any widow behind. So he don't go carry sex doll now. Marry the sex doll. Last. The doll now a wife now. So anytime when he choose to come die, he go leave the doll baby. But the doll baby be like human being. They arrange and like real human being. They dress them up, do everything. I tell you this word.
Excuse, Uncle, I want to say something. Uncle,
say.
Uncle, I.
Say it.
Please, I just want to tell you that human beings are not really well. Human beings are not okay. I used to say this thing. They should see this is my slogan. They should frame it and put it in every house. Human beings are not all right. People well for this word. They're not plenty. People not well, no.
The baby costs £5,000.
Oh.
And you feel less you feel blue and breeze inside.
Okay.
But as it be like this now, if human beings on the married dog, you don't want woman marry her dog.
Yes. The one who marry herself,
marry herself. That one they marry three. person married 3 to no. This one not the
Another
married
one's a
dog
dolphin,
baby now.
they seduce him.
Yes, so different things are happening these days.
Oh,
so check
God.
your partner very well. Check your partner very well. Maybe na dog baby, maybe na incarnation or something. But to the man, we wish you the long life or the remaining life will remain for you and your and happy married life for you and your baby. And they feel like now why they pinch me now?
Baby.
Okay, make I check you. Make I check you.
No, not pinch me. Now only me if he check you.
No, I got to check you too. Since people they check partners now, no they knock me like this. No they hit me like this. I don't like this kind of hitting.
Why?
No, I use the N word. I don't. You understand? Okay.
Oh God, we are the coolest presenters.
Yeah.
All right, we go come back. We could just go short break so that when we come back, we go laugh, we go gist, we go show you videos and everything before we can wrap them up. Not forget, if you're there for Inside Lagos, just scratch through your television. You understand? And go to the channel 57 and watch Wazobia 1. Then you go see us live and direct. But Wazobia TV still there for every other person where they watch outside of Lagos. And if you're there online, youtube.com/Wazobia TV, we did there for you live and direct. Come on, are you ready to take it away?
Take it away.
He's telling you now.
Take it away.
He's telling you now.
Take Why the guy they look back there?
But I'm going to test a wall.
You planted the punch for forest.
Hey. Oh my word. Ay. The little bit like let's say Hey.
That guy bad. The guy they control this thing. If like say that guy don't do a bad thing before. Then you look say he come like the and say, you want to run, Abi? Oh yeah, they run. I will say, hey, they run. They run. Oh boy.
Okay, if you want to follow us for Inside Twitter. If you want to follow us for Inside Twitter, if you want to follow us for Twitter and comment on us, if you want to give us a bird that used to fly, that stay in one place, aka Twitter, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy. And if you find individual handles, my own is a Mayowa Lambe. At Mayowa Lambe. His own is a at Funny Ogbolo. At Mayowa Lambe at Funny Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia Wazobia Paddy. I'm sorry. And then if you do on top Instagram, you understand? The reigning one now, you understand? Instagram. IG. IG where some people meet Bay and Boo. Yes, meanwhile, if you follow for Instagram, follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. Follow me at Mayowa Lambe and my darling at Ogbolo, all on top Instagram. I don't want to say one more thing.
They go mold
this
my
dance, they sweet you. This dance, they sweet you. I didn't really know why. Don't be shouting, wrap it up. Do we not know that we will wrap it up?
I can't that.
Don't be shouting, wrap it up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, we'll say goodbye to everybody. We'll see you now tomorrow, same station, same time. We're not to go anywhere. Her name is Mayo, my name is Ogballs, baby, Ogbalo, you know, aka Ogballs, and every, and you know, as I just be. Okay, so I'll see you. We'll go see you now tomorrow. We love you, understand me now, and God bless you. Get better day. Be happy, love one another, and respect each other. You know what I'm saying? If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.